What's up guys, BD Wiz here. I ran some extra tests on the Pioneer and Kenwood 5-channel amps. Thought you guys want to see this as a little extra feature. Stay tuned, we'll see what they did. Alright, Kenwood 5-channel, we're going to try the sub-channel dynamically at 1.33 ohms. See if it'll go into protect or whatever. This is a tiny amp. I know you can't really tell here by the video, but yeah, it is tiny. Here is my hand. It covers the whole amp. It's a little bit warm because we've been running it pretty hard today, but yeah, so let's see. Will it go into protect? Will it blow up? Or will it perform? Here we go. Fire in the hole. $653 watts, 1.33 at 13.8 volts. That inrush current, 160 amps. Woohoo! Oh yes, and no protect. She's warmed up, but man, she is performing. All right, don't try this at home, but we're gonna try the sub-channel 1.33 ohms dynamically at 40 hertz on the Pioneer. You big dummy! 9605. Hopefully we don't blow up anything. Let's see what it does. Holy crap. 1,011 watts at 1.33, 14.26, 164 amps of inrush current. Wow. Pioneer is kicking the power from that sub-channel. That is amazing.
You have another question? Sure, I got one question for you. It's, can you deal with that?
Pop the fuse.
You big dummy.